Good day to all the aspiring indie game developers watching this video. This is an opportunity for me to answer a very important question, and that question is this: why all the photo editing and graphic design tutorials if this is an indie game dev channel? The reason for this is very simple. Something which I learned on my journey to being an independent entrepreneur, especially a game developer, is the fact that the more you know, the better for you as a person or as a developer. I'll give you an example. Let's say you intend to make a simple 2D mobile game, but you're good at programming, but very bad at graphic design. What this means is that you might end up spending more money trying to hire an artist to handle those tasks that you could handle yourself if you had the basic skills. So in the long run, the more you know puts you in a better position to be a Swiss Army knife. And it also saves you a lot of money too. I learned graphic design, photo editing, and a lot about graphics just by trying, practicing, and making lots of mistakes. And I'm happy to say that after a few years of trying, I find myself in a position where I am confident with what I can do, especially my programming, my graphic design, and I've sort of become a Swiss Army knife with regards to my projects, which really helps me a lot. Even the web design, I do that. So I've decided to teach you what I did on my journey to being an independent game developer, an entrepreneur, with the hope of being successful in this industry. Rest assured, we will cover game design, game development, and all that entails, game programming, the various programming and scripting languages that are very common in the game industry, game engines. We would look at every single one of these things. But first, before we get there, I have made the decision to show you the basics of very common things that you will come across as an independent developer. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Indie Dev Education.